Learn with Janeesha.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How they are looking? Very beautiful? Yes or no? Okay, yes.
These are made out of paper.
Do you know? These are paper.
Bracelet and rings.
Do you want to make them too? If you're new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start.
For this activity, you need colorful sheets, scissors and glue. Cut sheet like this for the bracelet, for the ring. Measured paper according to your wrist. Make the mark. Now cut. Cut from the opposite side. I made this heart for my bracelet. Cut this into half. Now paste them. Cut the extra. You can use stickers too. Share your views on my Instagram account.
Thank you. Bye.